Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our virtual classes. I am your social teacher, Nilu Pandey, a teacher of Joint School Family Rupandehi, and today I am going to teach you Unit 1, Lesson 1.1, Introduction to Society and Community. Some definitions are here. Yes, what is the meaning of community and what is the meaning of society? Okay, now I am going to explain you in details about details. Humans are social beings. Humans cannot survive alone as they have unlimited necessities demand. They cannot live without society. They need society for immediate help. Human beings need society for immediate help. They feel security in society. Society is larger than community and community is a part of society. And people feel security while living in society. Not only human beings but also animals live in a group for security, work and fulfill their needs. For example, ant work in a team, bird fly in a flock, deer roars in team for securities. And now I am going to explain you about community. What is the meaning of community? Community भनेको के हो त? Community means a part of society. Yes, we know that community is part of society. Neighbors form a community. Neighbors live happily in a particular place. That means community. Actually, what is the meaning of community? A group of people living together in a particular place, adjusting themselves with a same culture, tradition, religion, living condition, custom and language by sharing their ideas and common feeling is known as community. Community means each and everything is similar within a community, their language, their dress, customs. Yes, उहाँहरूको चाहिँ के हुन्छ, हरेक कुरा सेम हुन्छ. कम्युनिटी भनेको एउटा पार्टिकुलर प्लेसमा बस्ने अनि each and everything is same, their living condition, yes, language, behavior, each and everything are similar. They share their ideas as a friend. They have common feeling. उनीहरुमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ, common feeling हुन्छ. They have common feeling. Yes, so they live as friend in community. They share each and everything within a community. Community play a vital role. Vital role. People feel that they have a responsibility for development of their own community. The people in a community live together with the spirit of we feeling. They never thought that I and you. They always think that we feeling. They work together because they have the feeling of we. Children while living in a community, they have feeling of we. Communities play an important role in shaping the mind of children by influencing their language, behavior, thoughts. Yes, and many things children learn from community. People performs rites and rituals, celebrate festivals and organize feasts and programs in a community. It also protects rights and interests of the people so that people feel more secure while living in a community. Every member should be responsible for the development of community. Yes, सबै चाहिँ के हुनुपर्छ, कम्युनिटीलाई कसरी डेभलप गर्ने प्रति चाहिँ के हुनुपर्छ, रेस्पोन्सिबल हुनुपर्छ। नेक्स्ट टपिक इज सोसाइटी, and we know that what is society. It is larger than a community. Society is derived word from Latin, that means socios. Society is derived from a Latin word socios, means companionship or friendship. A society is an organized community of the people who live together by sharing customs, laws, modes of life, etc. within a defined territory. Society means an organized community of people who live together by sharing each and everything as friendly. They share each and everything with their neighbors, happiness, sorrows. Yes, they also share customs, laws, and modes of life. They live happily with they do not fight with each other. If any misunderstanding creates, they solve within a defined territory. Yes, society, living together, sharing happy and joy and sorrow with each other, cooperation with each other. Society is necessary for human beings. It is very essential for human beings, because when we need immediate help, society help us, and we get justice from society. So we need society. Society play a very important role in human beings' life. It makes our life easier and comfortable while sitting in society. हामी चाहिँ समाजमा बसिसकेपछि हाम्रो लाइफ के हुन्छ त, सजिलो र एकदम कम्फर्टेबल हामी फिल गर्छौं। त्यहाँ बसिसकेपछि हामी के गर्छौं, कम्फर्टेबल फिल गर्छौं, हामी सेक्युर्ड फिल गर्छौं, हामी सेफ छौं भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ हामीलाई के हुन्छ, फिल हुन्छ। त्यही भएर चाहिँ हामीलाई के चाहिन्छ, सोसाइटी चाहिन्छ। Different people live in society with different occupation. They help each other to make life easier and comfortable. For example, doctor, engineer, teacher, yes, they live together and helping each other. Farmer grow crops and provides all with food. Doctor examines patient and cure them. Teacher teach. Yes, it makes our life easier. They help with each other. They help each other and make life easier. They make life easier. Society is formed. A society is formed on the basis of geographic, tradition, religion, development work, science and technology, etc. A geographical society is based on the geography. Cultural society is based on the culture. Tradition society is based on tradition. Technology society, technical society is based on technology, etc. People share each and everything, joy and sorrow with each other in a society. A society helps to fulfill the need of human beings. It helps to fulfill the need of our, and society also help to develop each and everything. Now I am going to explain you the difference between society and community and some similarities between community and society. Community is smaller than society, and community is a part of society. Community is narrow than society, and society is larger than community. Community, little small. Community is smaller than society. सोसाइटी भन्दा सानो हुन्छ कम्युनिटी. सोसाइटी चाहिँ के हुन्छ एकदमै ठुलो हुन्छ. कम्युनिटी मिलेर चाहिँ एउटा सोसाइटी बनेको हुन्छ. नेबर्स मिलेर फ्यामिली मिलेर चाहिँ के बनेको हुन्छ एउटा कम्युनिटी बनेको हुन्छ. त्यही भएर हामीले के भन्छ एउटा पार्ट मात्र हो सोसाइटीको. इट इज अ पार्ट अफ सोसाइटी and society is larger than community. These all are difference between community and society. And now, what are the similarities between society and community? What are the similarities between society and community? Social feeling, responsibility, share of customs, language. Yes, these things are similar between them. We found this all thing between them. Now today I am going to give you some work and please complete your work and show me. This is your work. Yes, answer the following question. What is society? What is a community? Make a list of benefits that we get while living in a community. Each and everything I have explained above. Yes. Please complete your work in time and thank you.